Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP made a new low yesterday here at around 59.5 cents, and it certainly has enough waves in place in this correction, also on the lower time frame, to have this correction complete. That being said, I don't believe it at this stage, and in this video I want to explain why. First of all, I see the correction as a WXY structure in a wave 4. Other wave counts are possible. This could also be a B wave in a larger triangle count, but I don't want to make it more complicated, and it doesn't really matter in the short term. I highlighted yesterday that I'm going to watching for a potential bottom in place if we break above the descending trend line. But as I make this video, we're already breaking back below it. Yeah, so it was just basically a fake out for now. It could still recover. The current candle isn't even closed yet. We have enough waves in place. We have 5 waves down in wave C, as you can see here. But again, I don't believe it yet. I don't think Bitcoin is bottomed yet. At least I don't have any evidence. And also here, all I've got at the moment is a first rally above a descending trend line. But the first deeper retracement will tell us the truth. If price forms now a higher low and will then break above today's high, basically here the 62.5 cent level, I would track this more thoroughly. But at the moment, I'm still very open to another drop deeper into the orange support area in this setup. I would expect price to turn around in this box. However, I have to say this is not a reliable trade setup for higher. Until price shows us 5 waves up on the larger time frame, we cannot confirm that the December low was the bear market low. Okay, here. We cannot confirm that until we see those 5 waves up. This is only a 3-wave structure to the upside on the larger time frame, which might explain why this is a less reliable chart. Okay, generally important. It is very choppy. It's a choppy chart, so you should never really be surprised above or about more unexpected setbacks, let's call it like that, and twists and turns on the XRP chart, because it is moving in 3-wave structures. That doesn't mean Elliott Wave doesn't work. It just means that Elliott Wave tells us that this is a less reliable chart, that you have to expect deep retracements, you have to expect unexpected twists and turns, which again might lead to the decision to use less leverage, maybe not trade it at all, maybe leave it more space, these trades, okay? What I can tell you is as long as we don't have a reliable low in place, also here on the micro level, we can't confidently trade against the low. At the moment, I haven't got a reliable low in place. I could possibly get away with calling that a first wave 1 to the upside, but it then needs to hold on the micro level a wave 2 correction, and I need it to hold the 60.2 cent level. Do I believe it's doing that? Not quite until it's proven, right? But that's the level which is revealed by the Fib tool, 60.2 cent level. That's the level that I don't want it to break below. Otherwise, it will likely make new lows. And because I'm not convinced yet, also because of another reason. Let's just zoom out a bit. First of all, we dropped below the 50% retracement level at 62.3 cents. The next one is 56.5. We haven't even arrived there. Normally, experience tells us when one Fib level breaks, we normally go to the next one. But there are other Fibonacci extension levels along the way. So what we can also establish is here, for example, the 1-to-1 ratio. So it reached 60.2 cents. That is one key target for a potential Y wave, yeah, WXY. So it has reached one important Fibonacci extension level. So as I said, the low could be in. I just don't fully believe it yet. We have this correction potentially complete based on the wave count, and it reached the 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm potentially open to it, but I haven't seen enough evidence, and I cannot call a low in place yet, also due to the general nature or situation in the crypto market, and because we are already breaking back below that trend line. But this is a Fib level that has relevance, and as I said, we have enough waves down. So what I essentially mean is, yes, the low could be in. Now we need to be watching for reversal signals. But until I have a clear 5-wave move up and 3-wave move down, I can't confirm it. But I'm very open now, generally across the market. I'm very much watching for reliable bottoming signals. And then we've got the other way of measuring the ABC. We can calculate target here as well. And that takes us down a little lower, actually. It always depends from, there are different legitimate ways of measuring the target. This one would take us to 58.3 cents next. So that means 58.3 would likely be the next target. And I just need to shift that down a little bit if we make another low, okay? But as I said, the low could be in now, but I can't confirm that to you without having any evidence. So it's certainly something that might be worth tracking. Again, if we hold support and break above that high. For all Degans out there, I already showed you the relevant support level, okay, and highlighted to you that this could have bottomed. And yeah, this is the situation we're in at the moment. And XRP, for me, it hasn't given me any reliable signals yet. But I said to you, if we get one more low and break above that dashed trend line here, I'm going to start to track upside. Again, it's fighting with it. And until I have that hourly candle closed above it, and we see a move away from that trend line again to the upside, I'm not very confident that the low is really in. It just has retraced too much for that. But let's look at some of the indicators, because I believe that XRP is quite oversold. So that's also why we're actively watching for a low now. Yeah, I mean, we start to see those divergences appear on the chart now. Yeah, bullish divergence. I think we talked about that in yesterday's video. So, let's call it the evidence increases that a low is in place. It's just that price always needs to confirm. Price is always king. So how would it actually look like if we climb higher from here? So it would be a fifth wave to the upside. That would be an overall ABC structure. Because of the overall nature of the XRP chart moving in a diagonal, ABC, and the A wave could be a 5-wave move. So in the A wave, we would start to track a 5-wave move. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.